What's up everybody, Thomas from DCIV, and today I'm here with Mr. Fox and we're gonna do some freestyle training practice. Nice weather, nice sun, so let's get at it. Oh yeah, what I'm gonna try as well is my new race frame. Put it up in the sun a little bit. Nice and pink, sexy, 6S, Xing 2, Dquad. Let's get it.
We are on a wave, take over the place, they ain't doing it like you and I want a holiday, let us fly away, they ain't doing it like you and I. Moving on a vibe, kill it every time, they ain't doing it like you and I. You and I, you and I, they ain't doing it like you and I. They ain't doing it like you and I. Like you and I. They ain't doing it like you and I. You and I, you and I. They ain't doing it like you and I said I'm dying to see you. Got me waiting for my lady, and I've been trying to free you. Send a couple pics, drive me crazy. She got her mind and we're chilling now. Tryna ask you how's your day be. She gone and drawn for the liquor now. In the light, wanna spliff and get wavy. We are on a wave, take over the place. They ain't doing it like you and I want a holiday, let us fly away. They ain't doing it like you and I. Moving on a vibe, kill it every time. They ain't doing it like you and I. You and I, you and I. They ain't doing it like you and I.
Tell them over, gal, move aside. Why? They ain't doing it like you and I. Try not to worry where the future lies. It's a fact, I am yours and you are mine. She puts in the work morning through the night. Still she's the life of the party on a uni vibe. Tryna get a brother in a suit and tie, looking fresh, get the pussy wet like a scuba dive. She walked in the place looking like a Barbie. Summertime girl, put the chicken on the Barbie. Breasts and legs, them other gal are making sarnie. Sex the best, you get up in the bed, I can't leave. She loves the dirty rhythm just like I do. You feel like you're me, I feel like I'm you. You don't have to watch no face when we ride through. You don't have to watch what I'm on, cause I like you.
Said I'm dying to see you. I've been trying to free you. She got some wine and we're chilling now. She got the drawn for the liquor now. Dim the light, want a spliff and get wavy. I said I'm dying to see you, dying to see you, dying to see you. Got me crazy, 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 crazy. We are on a wave, take over the place. They ain't doing it like you and I want a holiday, let us fly away. They ain't doing it like you and I. Moving on the vibe, kill it every time. They ain't doing it like you and I. You and I, you and I. They ain't doing it like 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 you and I. You and I, you and I. They ain't doing it like you and I.
Dirty lipo's done with the day. The sun is done. Was a nice one. See you in the next one.
Hands up if you're a citizen of nowhere and you're not scared. It's not a yes or no answer. Yes or no answer. Yes or no answer. Yes or no answer.
Let's cut back the gimmicks, make room for